My name is Fernando Ruiz, and we're in the city of Palmdale, California. The old gate was falling down. It was a wooden gate, original gate that was put in there by the builder, but it was falling down. It was old and decrepit. Novell came over. They gave me an estimate on the gate, and that's all I really wanted. And they did a good job. Oh, it was done in one day. It was good. It was good. They were very professional. They did a good job, very quick. Because Novell Remodeling also painted my house. So I would recommend Novell. The workers were very professional. They knew what they were doing. I would recommend Novell Remodeling if somebody asked me who built your gate or painted your house. Well, I can say thank you for Novell. What else can I say? They did a good job, in my opinion.